Hi everybody, this is Paul and this is a video showing you how to create a personalized photo plaque in the app and then push it to your Shopify store. First thing you do, once you come into the app, if you click on products, and then this product's going to be a personalized product, so you click on this tab here. The difference between personalized and print on demand is that print on demand products are just standard products with fixed designs on them. If you're going to add text fields or photo uploads, then you have to create a personalized product. So click on personalized, click new personalized product, go into the home office section, and we're going to create a portrait one. So if we click on portrait, that will open the product up and you want to click on start designing. So we created the design before using the template, so we're going to add that now onto the product. So if you click on here, add image area, 99% of the time the first thing you will do is you will click here that says allow consumer to upload their own images. This is the background image, so you don't want them to be able to do anything on here, so you just turn that off and then click on upload your image here. So this is the template we did before. If we click on that, open it, that uploads it as you can see, and we'll just click on add that layer. Next thing you want to do is make sure you lock this layer by clicking the padlock there, because as you're adding the next field you don't want to catch it and move it. So the next thing we're going to do is add the photo upload section on the design. So again, if we click on add image area, now this time we do want to allow consumers to upload their image, so we leave this as it is. And what you then do is you move it down to the edge of the frame where you want the customer to be able to upload the image, which is roughly about there. If you want to change the color of this on the outside, if you click here, you can change the color to whatever you want so that you can see it more clearly, so you can see where you are with it. So that looks perfect about wherever it needs to be. So the next thing you want to do is upload the placeholder image that goes with that. So if you click upload placeholder image, put your sample image in, and that should upload it. That looks as though it's going to be about right, but what you want to do then is click add layer. Then what you want to do is just move it till the hand turns over on these three dots here and pull it underneath, and there you can see that's what the customer will see when they upload their image. Now if you want to move this across, if you want this placeholder image, if you click on the background layer again and then come down here to the placeholder, you can actually, if you go to the advanced bit, if you click this arrow, you can actually move the image that's inside, and if you press the Alt key, it'll move it in bigger steps. So that looks good. So then we'll just click, oh, what you want to do as well is make that mandatory so that the customer has to upload an image. So if we click update layer, we've got that right, that's where we want to be. The next thing is we're going to enter some text down here for the customer to add their own text. So if you click on add text layer, that drops the text box in there, and if you pull the text box down to roughly where you want it and size it, that looks about right. You've got the option for some advanced positioning here if you want to, but I'll just keep this rough at the moment. Maximum, we're going to put in here placeholder text, enter your text here. So that looks about as though it fits, and that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So the maximum characters we're going to allow them to enter in there is going to be 18. So as we come down here now, we want to make that font a bit better. So what we'll do with that is we'll make that one the Happy Monkey font. And that's probably made it a little bit too big on there, so I'll reduce that text in the next field. So we want the default text size probably to be 16 in there. So there you go. If we lower it down to 16, it'll come to there. So the maximum size we're going to want is also 16. And what we'll do here is we'll let the font size go down as small as it has to if they enter all the 18 characters in. So we're going to make that fixed so that the customer only gets to choose this font here. And then we're going to set that to black only. You've got the options here to create different colors, which you can do. And if you want to manage your font groups or your colors, you can just click here and you can add your own fonts and your own colors. So we're happy with that there. So we're now going to click these boxes at the bottom. We're going to make it mandatory. We're going to turn off the styling, rotatable, movable, and we'll leave resizable on. So add that layer and we're about ready to go on to the next section. So if we click next step, mockups, confirm that. These are all the mockups it's going to create. I don't think we want, oh well, I'll leave that one on. But if you don't want that one, you can turn that off there, easy enough. In fact, I will turn it off. We'll go to, oh, and if you've got some of your own mock-ups you want to upload, you can upload those here, and that'll keep them with the product when you then push it to Shopify or Etsy. Click on next step. We'll give this a title, one test photo panel. You can add tags here if you want. This is your description, but you can change it if you wish to. Click on create, and that will then go away and create the product for you. So it normally takes about a minute to create one of the products. Then once you've got the product there, if we take a look at it, you can see it's created all these mock-ups for you at the bottom. And now if we want to go back then and add that, say, to our Shopify store, there's a couple of ways for doing that. You can click here, add to store, or if you come into here, and this is the way I prefer, if you click the three dots, you can add that to your store. And if we select our Shopify store, I'm going to push all those through. I'll add that into the store, and then I'll go across into our demo store so you can see what that looks like. So if you then come across into your Shopify store, you can see the product here has come across, just to show you what that looks like. If you click on preview, it's uploaded all the mock-ups, as you can see, they're all there. And then when you want to use the personalization, click on personalize, and you can upload your image. Pick one out of here. There we go. Your customer can move that around, do whatever they need to do. And then if you want to add the text, they can put both from Dave. Then they add it to the cart, purchase it, and that comes through to our production. Hope that helped you. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.